Hey guys, this is our mobile computing showcase. We're presenting the mobile payment topic. Our group members are Dafu, Margarita, Mingcheng, Wenzhou.
A lot of transactions happen in this world by cash or non-cash transactions. The cash transactions still exist and happen in this world. In fact, there are 75% countries in the world which still have 50% transactions by cash. It means that cash transaction has a big portion. Let's see Australia. Australia in 2016 has 35 cash transaction and the rest 65% is non-cash transaction. That's such a great implementation of non-cash transaction in the world. Australia become number 7 in the world who has more non-cash payment than cash payment.
So, what is the old way of payment? The old way is when people go shopping and they make a payment with cash. After that, the store will calculate the money and bring their money to the bank, so it could be saved into the bank account. And what is the advantage of these procedures? First, there is a chance for robbery. It can be happen in those procedures when customer goes to the store, when the store keeps their money, and also when the store takes the money to the bank. Second, moving cash is expensive. We have to pay for taking and bringing money everywhere. And the last one, it's not efficient and more complicated, wasting time and effort and dealing with manual calculation as well.
Then, how can technology solve that? Nowadays, we know some of mobile payment applications such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, PayPal, and Alipay. We could buy anything, anywhere, anytime with our device. In online store, we could buy things such as in Apple Store, Google Store, or Amazon. By scanning the barcode, we could also pay in the store, and we can pay someone easily with these applications. No cash involved in these procedures, and moving money happens in real time and digitally. The money will be transferred into the bank account, and technology really simplifies the old way procedure.
Here we apply WeChat Pay and Alipay as an instance, which are currently both widely used in China. They work securely and fast to consumers as well as merchants. All the transactions do not involve any cash appearances, so that the risks for cash damages and loss are considerably minimized for both ends. For our general consumers, cashlessness means we only need to carry mobile devices like our mobile phones. The payment functionality is entirely embedded inside our devices without any credit card required, so it becomes fairly user-friendly for our customers. In terms of merchants, many expenditures, such as tellers' machines, are no longer necessary. As a result, a great amount of cost is expected to be saved. Last but not least, the above payments make it available for Chinese to pay overseas even if they do not have any local currencies and cards, stimulating the consumption at the same time.
Now let me introduce the different advancing payment methods that are supported by WeChat or Alipay. We will take WeChat as an example. Alipay is essentially similar. The top left is in-app web-based payment. When the users make a payment, they will just need to enter a 6-digit PIN code or scan of fingerprint. Top right is the WeChat Quick Pay, which is particularly useful for the merchant side. This WeChat payment solution can be connected with merchant's POS system. This way, you can scan the customer's private QR code to pay. It's much faster payment solution than cash or credit card. In this case, users don't even need to enter the 6-digit PIN code to approve the payment. Bottom left is the in-app payment. Having this popular payment option available for your users will increase the conversion on your apps. The last one is the QR code payment, which is usually used when the customers are shopping on a desktop website. The QR code will be automatically generated by the WeChat payment system. Your customers just need to scan the QR code with WeChat or Alipay to make the payment. You may wonder where I can use WeChat Pay. The answer is everywhere. We have shown you the payment methods supported by WeChat, so literally WeChat or Alipay can be used anywhere, as long as the internet is available. This example is a very interesting one that I want to show, as we can already see the difference from street artists in China. whereas in Australia or in Melbourne, we can only pay these people using coins or notes. Next, we will show you a small demo for the WeChat Pay. You wanna guess his name today?
There's a convenience store. Let's go in.
Oh, okay.
Let's go in.
You wanna grab something? It's the same. What? You gonna grab this? Okay. Okay, perfect.
This one. This is $4.
It's four? Okay.
Yeah.
I don't. Let's see if I have any coins. Oops. Oh. Jeez. Excuse me. Can I use the card?
Yeah, this card is not. Yeah.
What?
I can't say this card.
You don't accept.
Cannot.
Oh. So you gonna lend me some, borrow me some?
I don't have any cash
You don't have cash? Why?
because I use mobile payment. Just mobile payment. Now I'm scanning my barcode. So that's 2.5? Yeah, okay. 250. So I'll pay now. And that's done. So I'll pay my money.
Yeah,
Is that okay?
yeah, I received it.
You received it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mobile payment will have a huge potential in the future. Okay, let me introduce some development trends of the mobile payment for you. Firstly, some new technology will be promoted more widely, such as NFC technology QR code payments. QR code payment, which has been popular in China, would be one of simple ways to realize mobile payment. NFC payment is another kind of the contactless payments. With the development of the Apple Pay, Google Pay, and the payment applications from other smartphone manufacturers, NFC technology will get promoted in a greater degree. Secondly, biometric technologies will replace passwords and signature. Passwords and signatures are easier to be stolen. However, biometric technologies are different. Biometric features are almost unique for everyone and hard to be stolen and copied. At the same time, users would not be need to remember their password. Thirdly, not only the mobile phone, wearable device will also be used as the tool for the mobile payments. It would diversify mobile payments tool. It would make the mobile payment more convenient for users. Finally, AI and big data would be one of the critical development chains of the mobile payment. Based on the analysis of the user's payment data, user will be provided more accurate information of the server they need. So for you, which kind of the mobile payments are more attractive? Do you have the more interesting idea about mobile payments?
Here are the references for our presentation, and thank you for watching.